So this is a separate driveway to this area. I mean, the views here are absolutely amazing. Beautiful plants, mature plants, being well thought out, very well landscaped. Check out that view. You can see right the way down to the other side of Malaga on the Costa del Sol. Here are the birds. So that's the house there. This is the garage, which you can easily fit 2 cars in. Obviously there's lots of parking here, and I'll just show you inside so you can see the depth of it. There's currently a car in the garage, but there's also sufficient space to put a second car if you wanted. There's also the water deposito underneath the garage, so they've really thought about how to use this space. And then this is over to the main house. There is also a separate driveway to the house, so the two are connected, but they're also very separate. So, I mean, look at the details that have gone into this house. It's beautiful. Absolutely stunning. So, this is the other entrance to the house, so you can park a car here. This goes through into the woodshed. This goes through into a shed. It's got power, extra fridges, storage on both sides, and then this takes you round to the side of the house, which goes round to the swimming pool area. But I'll do this from the other side so you can see it. Beautiful sea views and views over Torre del Mar and Vélez Málaga. This house has got very easy access, just in a normal car, and this is the entrance hall. To the left there is a toilet and wash basin, and this is the kitchen. Solid oak, sorry, I don't know if it's oak. What did I say, oak? Solid wood kitchen, beautifully done with granite work surfaces, electric oven, 5 stove gas hob, and this is utility room. That's the door that we saw from the outside. A washing machine, units with granite work surface as well. American fridge. Now the house has got bedrooms in 3 different areas, which is very nice. If you have guests over, then they don't feel like they're on top of you. So we'll do this side first. There are 2 bedrooms here with a bathroom, fitted wardrobes. And this bedroom's got amazing views down the coast. Opposite, nice large walk-in shower room, and then this is the other bedroom, and this has got air conditioning. There's patio doors out onto the swimming pool area, and again these stunning views. Air conditioning, and then back into the living area. So if you wanted to, you could actually put a door here, which would give you more privacy if you had guests over and people were still up. So this is the main living area. It's very pretty. It's got lovely wooden beams, wooden ceiling. They've put a mezzanine floor in. Fireplace, which is where we saw the wood all outside. And then if you sit here, these are your views. Absolutely amazing. We'll go out there last. A lovely archway into the other area where there is a bedroom. This bathroom has a full-size bath with a shower. Again, you could, if you wanted, put a door here to give extra privacy and make this like a complete suite. This bedroom is large, a very large double. As you can see, it's got a double bed, but also has sofas, fitted wardrobes, air conditioning, ceiling fan, and the same beautiful views, and you can step straight out onto the swimming pool. We're going to go back inside now into the living area, and we'll go up to the top of the mezzanine floor, and then you can see the wonderful views out there. So this was added afterwards, I believe, and they currently have a bed up here, which I think is absolutely perfect. Perfectly sets off this space. Has its own bathroom. I'll just show you this. The toilet and sink, and then views to die for. So it has stunning views of the mountains, the coast all the way down to the other side of Malaga, Torre del Mar, Algarrobo. And it's so peaceful. So from here you can see the outside of the property, the house with the swimming pool, outside shower, covered areas, lovely seating areas, very nice landscape gardens all the way around. It's beautiful. This property